Hey, today we're going to be making this awesome pin blade sanding jig. Hope you stick around. Hi, it's Todd with TLF Works, and today I'm going to be making a pin blank sanding jig from scrap wood that I have in my shop left over from other projects. So let me take a minute and point out this shirt I've been wearing during the video today. This is a Patrick's Workshop t-shirt, patricksworkshop.com and Patrick's Workshop YouTube. Patrick's a good buddy of mine that creates a lot of interesting content and unique twists on how to do things that maybe you've seen other people do in the past. Hope you'll check him out. That completes our pin blank sanding jig. We'll be using this in upcoming videos, making segmented blanks for future projects. I hope you'll check back with me at that time. With that said, if you enjoy my content, I hope you'll subscribe. You can click that little notification button and get notified when my videos come out. In the next video, part 2 of this series, we'll be creating a barrel trimming jig that's going to run across this middle fence. This middle fence is set at a 90-degree angle. It's going to serve multiple purposes for us. I hope you'll check back in for that video as well.